Welcome to our video tutorial on how to remove reposts on the Threads app. The Threads app has become increasingly popular among social media users, providing us with the ability to easily share thoughts, pictures, and videos with our friends and keep track of their activities. However, like any other platform, Threads can also be susceptible to reposting issues. Repetition of the same content in different threads or conversations can disrupt the flow of information and make it challenging to stay updated on the latest happenings. Fortunately, in this video tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to remove reposts on the Threads app and maintain a clean and organized space for information exchange. Sure, let's get started. The first step is to open the Threads app on your phone. I'm just going to choose one randomly. I can tap on the small arrows located at the bottom, which are circling around. After that, click on the repost option at the bottom of the screen. Now that I've done that, I can easily find any of my reposts by simply tapping on my profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see above any of these different ones that a repost is indicated by two arrows and it says you reposted it. To remove that repost, simply at the bottom of the same button with those two arrows in a circle but with a check mark indicating that you reposted it, just tap it, select the remove option. And essentially it will remove it from your profile and remove it from anyone who is following you. It will remove it from their main feed, so they won't see that you reposted that thread. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.